Okay, here I want to show you something regarding what we call ranking and percentile. And in this example, I just have a number of different teams that have their different scores here, you know, week after week after week, and their totals are here on row 3 here. So what I want to do is figure out, because we've got 10 teams, I want to know what the ranking is of each team based on their sales. So in other words, the highest sale that we have here, I think, is this one here for team 8. I want to be able to see then in this cell right here above it, the number 1 showing that they're number 1. All right. And the next number down, I think, would probably be, I think, team number 5 here. That will be the second highest. So that would be number 2. All right, so that's it. Pretty easy thing to do there. So how would we do it? Well, first of all, what you'll do is you'll click on to this cell right here for the first team. We'll type in equal, type in RANK, or just RAN, and you'll see rank. Whether you do rank or RANK.EQ, either one is fine. I'll just do the RANK.EQ for the heck of it, but either one will work. So we do that. I'll move this little help guide down here. So just kind of pull that down a little bit there. Okay. So the first thing is I have to tell it what I'm going to be comparing. Well, I'm going to be comparing for this first one, team 1's number. All right. And then a comma. Then I have to tell it basically the range that I want to compare it to. So that's going to be from here all the way over to team 10. See? Now, because I'm going to be copying the formula over to the next cells over and over again, the first reference to C3, I want that to change to D3 to E3 to F3, but I don't because of each of the teams that I'm comparing. But I want the range that we're comparing to stay the same, so I need to make that absolute. So all I have to do is just hit the F4 key, and that'll make it absolute. And then I have to hit the comma, and I'm going to tell it descending. And what that means is the highest number will be assigned number 1, the second highest number 2. So that's why we want to do that. And then we'll just go ahead and hit the enter key. There we go. Then I'll take that, and I'm going to copy it all the way over. So now we can actually see that team 8 is number 1, team 5 is number 2, team 4 is number 3, and so forth. So that's pretty cool for just ranking purposes. So now the next thing I want to do is figure out the percentile that each of those are. Okay, you've heard of, like, somebody says, oh yeah, they're in the 80 percentile, they're in the 50 percentile, they're in the 90 percentile. And if you're in the 90 percentile, that means that 90% of the class or whoever you're being compared to is below you. So how do we do that? Well, what we'll do is, first of all, is we'll go back into the Data tab. We'll go to Data Analysis, all right? And we'll go to the Rank and Percentile. Hit OK. And it kind of remembers the last thing you did, so so there's some information already in here, but basically the input range would be this right here. It would be our total. So we go ahead and select the input range just like that. The data is laid out in rows, all right? And we want to put the output, in other words, we want to put the result over here at cell address. We'll put it at A16, all right? So that's it. That's all you got to do. So we selected the data. It's by row, obviously, going across. We want labels, and we want to put the output right there, right? So we go ahead and hit OK, and there we go. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so you can, oh, actually, I'll zoom out, and I will make this a little bit wider. Okay, so what you're looking at here, I mean, the way I did it before with the ranking function, I think that works out pretty well, because when you look at what they give you here, you have to look for the number, and it says, okay, the number 59104 is number 1. I have to go, oh, there's 59,104. Oh, yeah, okay, number 1. 55,628 is number 2. So 55,628 here is number 2, see? So I like this way better than this way. But on the flip side, as far as the percentile, that's a little bit different, because what it's showing here, it's saying that point number 7, all right, that means the 7th data point here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is also kind of interesting because I've got my teams named 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, when I see point 7, I see team 7, and that's what I have right here. And what it's saying is that they are at the 100 percentile, meaning that they are above everybody, all right, technically, all right? When you look at point number 4, or team 4, all right, they are at a percentile of 87.5. That means, in essence, about almost 88% of the teams are below them, approximately, all right? Number 3 here, which is team 3, they came in 3rd place, they have about 75% of all the teams underneath them for what they are, all right? It's not perfect, but it just kind of gives you a sense of what's going on there. But nonetheless, I think overall, just knowing how to do these two things can really kind of add some emphasis to your data that you maybe are presenting to somebody, okay? All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you watching. Take care.